sat there and cried. Pretty soon he had his co-workers crying with him.
Would be a bunch of softies.
Yeah.
Jesus.
What does the inside of that thing look like? He cleaned it out at all?
Yeah, yeah. They took the racks over there and